Welcome my beauties. I am RofhiwaReneilwe, your girl. Welcome to my YouTube video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time I post. And you guys, I know you're watching and you're forgetting to subscribe, so please subscribe now. I'm waiting. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, and thank you for commenting, because I know we got each other, me and you. So yeah, we are on our way to 100 subscribers. So now we are on 52 subscribers. So I would really like to say thank you for subscribing, and don't forget to tell a friend or two, because honey, it is good for me. So yeah, let's do this thing and let's get straight into the video. Grab your makeup stuff, join me. We're gonna outline the brows first, so let's do this. I'm using this. As you know my beauties, there are many ways to kill a cat. If you're comfortable, you use eyebrow gel, but if you're a beginner and you're following what I'm doing, use an eyebrow pencil and just follow the steps that I am going to be doing right now. In order for our colors to pop, let's apply base to our eyelids. That is important. So let's play with some colors. I'm going to be using black, brown, please cut that crease, and blend. Bear petal, which is pink or light purple, plum, we can use any dark color on plum, desire, which is you can substitute by gold, black, glitters. Grab your eyeliner and draw a line where your eyelashes are going to stay. So be creative, you can make it to be a bit longer or short, it's up to you. It's lashes time. Apply glue on your lashes and wait for about few seconds for it to be a bit dry, and then apply on your eyes. Grab that face primer, that sunscreen, that routine that you do on skin prep. Yes, do that now. Do that now. Make sure you don't miss this step. Foundation step. I am using stick foundation. You can use liquid foundation, it is fine. And make sure that it is of your color. Blend it, blend it, blend it. I'm using translucent powder under my eyes. Chin, forehead. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Nose. Let's move on to the face powder. Apply a certain amount on your brush and brush it all over your face. To give our makeup some shape, we're going to contour places like cheeks, jawline, forehead, cheeks, blend it, blend it, blend it. Use a brown contour at the sides of the nose. Highlight in the middle of the nose. And blend the contour at the sides of the nose. Take either your blusher or a highlighter and blush those cute little upper cheeks of yours. Let's add some color to our look. Grab your lip liner, black lipstick, grab your red lipstick, when you're done, don't smear, pat. You can repeat this step if you want your desired nose contour, like me. Spray that setting spray so that your makeup can last longer. We made it, we made it, we made it. You must look exactly like this, nothing less, my beauties. A 360 of what we've created. So thank you for reaching this point with me. We made it. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified after I upload this video or many more videos. So I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate it if you really reach this point with me. So I love you, and see you next time. Bye.